Getting a job as a game tester. The reality of the video game tester job. If you are serious to work as game tester, you have to accept the reality of the job. The following are some hard facts about the gaming job. Number 1. Job proficiency as a video game tester can be acquired through continuous experience at the workplace or studio. The skill can also be acquired with the aid of self-help ebook manual that will help you survive the many challenges of the job. Click the link below for the best video game tester ebook. Long experience of playing video games has only minor bearing when you are in the actual situation as a video game tester. Number 2. Extensive experience credentials of playing video games is not enough to make a name for yourself. Your superior gives more weight on how accurate you make reports on the bugs and glitches you discover. The worth of your performance as tester will always be based on the consistency and the quantity of bugs you catch. The game tester is usually assigned to a portion of the game beta version, who will be tested on the basis of how effective his performance on that particular segment of the game. Number 3. Spending money on learning the in and out of video games before applying as tester is a plus factor. However, educational attainment is not the primary concern of your superior or team lead. You'll only realize that your investment pays off on the effectivity of how you handle problems and challenges during the actual work. In this situation, you will have the opportunity for a fast career growth. Number 4. When you are passionate of what you are doing, the work is no longer work for you. Instead, it's leisure. Your manager will surely notice good performance as you deliver more positive results than the average co-testers. You will be one of those who will stay long with the company as you do your job with passion and consistency. Definitely, you will leave behind in promotion the average performers who lack passion in their works. Level up as game testers. There are plenty of game testers available aiming to get hired by various studios, even by small independent developers. Majority of them are ready to work for as many vacant positions. As a game tester, you are always expected to level up in your work through consistencies and efficiencies. Show your superior you are not an ordinary tester working just to earn money. Be efficient at all times to prove how effective you are on any assigned task. Back them up with the submission of clear and accurate reports, and you will be assured of success as a video game tester. Click the link below to succeed as video game tester.